arid landscape as howling winds whipped up towering walls of sand. Drivers gazed apprehensively through cracked windows as the extreme forces of nature descended upon Xinjiang. It was a scene of chaos on February 17th, 2024, as over 40,000 people found themselves stranded amidst one of the most intense sandstorms to batter northwest China in recent years. Hello, and welcome to the weather. The skies turned blood orange, and the air became thick with dust and debris that obstructed all outdoor views, described one eyewitness. The winds were deafening as they shook our car violently for over half an hour straight. What had begun as a pleasant road trip on the Lianhe Expressway quickly transformed into an experience of survival for many travelers. The overwhelming sandstorms, bringing winds of up to 100 km/h, prompted transportation authorities to close multiple highways connecting Xinjiang and Gansu provinces. Over 54 road sections and 71 toll stations were shut down, effectively trapping tens of thousands of drivers and passengers in places like Jiuquan and Guazhou. Struggles intensified for those caught in especially remote areas. Among the distressed was Miss Pan, a tourist driving back to Xi'an, who became caught in the brunt of the storm. The winds were so powerful that they actually blew out my rear window and shattered all the other car windows, she recalled. With glass flying everywhere, all I could do was wait it out for 30 terrifying minutes until the gales died down. When the skies finally cleared on February 18th, the full scale of destruction emerged. Over 40,000 stranded travelers required accommodation in urban districts of Jiuquan City alone. Cleanup efforts began for tens of thousands more across affected provinces, awaiting the reopening of highways and transportation. However, despite dissipating winds, temperatures still remain frigid in northern Xinjiang.
现在10点半，真的10点半才发现。